What's up? It's Hustle On. So today we got one deck going to Cordova, Tennessee. We got 3 decks going to either Mississippi or Alabama. I think they're going to Alabama this weekend. So as you see, the weather is beautiful out here. It's perfect working weather. Orders, I won't necessarily say they're dying down, but orders are kind of, we're trickling them out. It was planned by design. It was planned that way because I do not like to be delivering all over the U.S. in the snow and ice and all that kind of stuff. It's just a bad, it just gets bad. And I didn't been stuck in snowstorms and ice storms, all that kind of stuff. So I just told myself I was just gonna kind of work real hard going up into October, November, going into the fall and into the winter. I might have one big order in December, but it's gonna be south. I'm not gonna do no major orders up north. So yeah, anyway, I'm getting kind of lax on the videos, getting kind of a little far behind. I got like 5 videos that I didn't finish that I'm supposed to be posting, that I'm working on right now, or they done. They just need a thumbnail and be posted. So anyway, you can expect for once my orders trickle down or whatnot, you can expect for some videos to be posted, but they probably be 2 weeks to a month old by the time I post them. I appreciate y'all for watching. It's gonna be a real quick video, probably. With the time lapse and the little ending thing, probably be like less than 5 minutes. So I appreciate y'all for watching. This is the time I'm probably gonna be doing some a little more instructional videos on some in-depth stuff, some tips, tricks, that type of stuff. Probably gonna show a little more of my kennels, and gonna show some. You probably gonna see a few designs. That's gonna be new, or like prototypes or whatnot. That's gonna be on my kennel. So I like to test stuff on my own kennels before I build it for anybody else. Typically, sometimes if it's something I'm real confident about or whatever, I think it's a pretty easy job, I'll switch it up for them. But most of the time, if it's something new or whatever, I'm gonna put it on mine first and see how it rolls for a few months or a year or however long I feel like I need it to, I need proof of concept. So other than that, just like I said, I got the puppy video out, or I got it done, got it edited, and it's gonna probably be maybe a little like 4 or 5 part series with the puppies, because this one was geared more towards coat, the skin and coat and that type of stuff, because it seemed like a lot of people going through that this year. So I appreciate y'all. Peace.
W Beats with another banger. Turn it up.